Do you need an Attleboro electrician? Hire the most reliable wiring experts and electrical service experts in the area. Your electrical installation is important and you want peace of mind that the project will be done properly and support the electrical appliances in your business or home for the foreseeable future. Not all electrical contractors have the same safety standards, certification or ethics. Should you require an electrical installation condition report or electrical safety certificate, electricians in Attleboro can assist you. All residential electrics and commercial electrics considered. Put your lighting and power systems in the hands of qualified electricity professionals, determined to serve you diligently in your rewiring, lighting, power and other needs. All the electrical contractors Attleboro has can be reached. The local electricians are ready for your call.
Hi, I'm Mike Power. Today I'm going to show you how to repair the on-off switch of this vacuum cleaner. As you can see, I've taken the front off and split the body in half, and the live wire has come adrift from the terminal. So I'm just going to put it...
Are you sure the person giving you online advice is a registered electrician?